Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction minus 8 plus 4 multiplied by 6 over 4. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one numerator and one denominator. So first of all we saw numerator. Numerator is minus 8 plus 4 multiplied by 6, and the denominator is 4. So first we saw numerator, then we saw denominator. Numerator is minus 8 plus 4 multiplied by 6. So according to the rule, multiplication and addition we solve from left to right, and then we solve addition or subtraction. So we have one subtraction, one addition, and one multiplication. So according to the rule, first we solve multiplication. So minus 8 plus 4 times 6, they give us 24 over 4. Minus 8 plus 24, so they give us plus 16 divided by denominator 4. Now 16 divided by 4, they give us 4. So the final answer is 4. Thanks for watching.